Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. This haircut is a style that is really beautiful and keeps your face open and clean lined. One thing about the style is a style that will make you want to stay put all day. It is a style for women that uses glasses. So whether you choose a hairstyle when you wear glasses, it really comes down to how your hair flows around your frames. You know, those haircuts are really flattering because you can see these flattering peaks won't get lost behind your specs and still let your style shine through. So these are popular haircuts that are good reason like for you to clear the temples, because you can see how it beautifully draped the forehead and won't compete with those chalky frames on your delicate spray. One thing about this haircut today is that it sits right, on the jawline, so it won't really bunch awkwardly behind the ears. So it's really that smart pick for elderly women who really want a tidy look with a soft structure. One thing I love about the style today is if you really like the bit of length, you can go for this beautiful short natural style because it's light, it's fluffy, and it gives some lift around the crown. So the cut is really great if you're really dealing with temple thinning and really want a fuller look without even faking volume. I love this natural haircut because it's a style that is beautiful and will really take many years of your age. Please guys, I would like you to watch this video to the end. If it's first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and let me mind in the comment section below. God bless you guys and see you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.